Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see how you can add a white border to your photograph in Canva. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, log into your Canva account and go to create a design, and from here you need to choose the size of your design first of all. So let's say I'm going to create a Facebook post, or you can also check for custom size. Okay, Facebook post template, and here I need to select a background. Let's just add a background, and then I need to go to uploads and choose the file where you want to add a border, or you can also select upload files and upload it from your computer. Okay, that one also you can do. Let's say I have already one image which I will be using in this design. So let's say I want to add border to this photograph. Okay, I'll go to edit image, and here you are seeing here shadows option also. Shadows, here you are seeing shadows option here. If you are not finding shadows option here, then you can also find it just below this one. You may also like, here you will be getting one option of shadows, and you just need to click on that. Okay, after adding that, it will appear here. Okay, now you just need to double click here and choose one effect. This is glow. Again click on this one, and you will be able to adjust this one. Okay, so I will be making blur to 0 and transparency to 100. And here you are seeing an option of color, like what will be the color of the outline or the border. Let's say I'm using white. Here you can choose the size of your background. Here you can choose the size of your border. Okay, so this will look like this. Okay, you can also reduce this size to 10 or increase this one depending upon your need. So this one is done. So just make sure you just download this design from here. Download it from here, share, then download, and select the file type. You can also change it to JPG. Just click and download it, and it's done. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please hit a like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.